Today we'll be checking out our new plugin, that's the OpenCart multi-company SaaS extension. Now this particular SaaS-based extension allows the clients to open an online e-commerce store with their map domain name within a few minutes without any further need of any installation or any other plugin requirements. It has a simple sign-up process for the store registration, and thereafter the clients or the tenants can start the e-commerce business in a jiffy. Also, the multiple clients at the same time can access their backend and front end of their store and can manage the same as well as required. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you the storefront working of the OpenCart multi-company SaaS plugin. We'll see how to register as a client or a tenant, how to the list of the clients there, how to add the products, how to view the customers, and much more options that are there available to the clients after the successful registration there. But before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. So first of all, we will be seeing how the clients can register as a client or a tenant. So right now you can see I'm at the OpenCart web store front end, and what the client needs to do is he needs to tap here on the store registration at the very top, and tapping that up brings up the store registration thing, as you can see here. And here we have the description. In the previous video of this particular plugin, you saw how the admin can set the description and the image and the store registration button from the admin backend panel for this particular plugin's initial configuration settings. So after we have done with that, we can find the particular store registration button here. Now to register, you just have to tap here on the store registration button, and that takes you to the very first step of the store registration. And this is the image that we had set up for the step 1 from the admin backend panel. So here we need to enter the first name, last name, email, the username, the telephone number, the password, and the confirmed password. So I'll set it as Peter Doe. I'll set the email here. Let me enter the email here. So I'll set it as test23@webcool.com. I'll set the username as test23 for the demo purposes. Here we'll set up the password. So let me go ahead and let me enter the password. I'll confirm my password now, and thereafter we'll tap here on the continue button. So now we are on the second step. This is the second step image that we had set up, and here we need to choose our country. So I'll set it as United States of America for the time being. I'll choose the state as California. I'll choose the language as English and the currency as US dollar, and I'll tap here on the continue button. Now we'll be taken to the last and the final step of the store registration here. So here we have the step 3 image as well. So here we'll enter the store URL that we want to have. So I'll set it for the time being as test23, or let me set it as Sapphires store. I'll set it the meta title as Sapphires, store name as Sapphires, store owner as Sapphires. Let's enter the store address, California Street Road Lounge, and then we'll just tap here on the submit button thereafter. So this is the final step there, and you can see that the store has been created successfully. Please save the store URL for further use. Now at the same moment, URL or an email is sent out to the particular client with the admin details there, and from here you can tap here on the click here to visit the store to check the store, or here you can tap here on the click here to visit the admin panel. So now you have the your own admin panel as well as your own store. You can easily go to the admin backend panel, start creating your products, start listing them up, and from the front end, whenever the customers are registering, you can find those customers under your own account panel in the admin backend panel section there. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel first, and then we'll see the front end as well of the clients there. So for that, let me tap here on the backend client login, And now I'll be logging into my client account. So I'll set the URL there. I'll set the username and the password, and then I'll tap here on the login button. So you can see that after I've logged in, here are the account options that are available to the client or the tenants there. Here we have the dashboard, we have the catalog. Under the catalog we have the categories, products, recurring profiles, filters, attribute groups, options, manufacturers, downloads, review and information. Under the catalog we have the sales section having the orders, recurring profile, returns, gift vouchers. So all in all, you can make use of all of these available options here. Here you have the customer groups, customer fields as well. Apart from that, you also have the SaaS module under which you have the commissions. So if I go to the commissions here, I'll be able to see the total client amount or my amount there for the orders that have been placed for my products within the store itself, and the primary admin's commission as well. So we had set the commission as 10% in the admin backend panel in the previous video of this plugin itself, and the same is visible here. We have $76.50 there for the admin commission, and the total client amount is $688.50, and the total actual order was for the $765 there. So that's how easily the client or the tenants can register within the marketplace store there, and that's how they can view the commissions that they have received here. So here they can find the total admin commission and the total client amount as well. They can also filter out the commissions according to the order ID, order status, the date added, the name of the customer, the total of the order, or the date modified as well, and tapping on the filter button would filter out the particular commissions for the orders placed within the web store of the client itself. So here you can see that here we don't have the extension section that was there within the primary admin there, but for this particular store that we have just created, we have the admin backend panel. We can access all of these options. We can go to the products, we can add the products as per our own requirements. So here you can see that I've already added the products within the same, and we also have the categories section. So we have added the category as well, and within this category we have added these particular products there. Now to check the front end there, if I go to the front end, here you can see that we have the Peter store. If I tap on that, and kindly note that depending upon the theme that was set up for this particular client from the primary admin there, the same is visible to the customers at the storefront. So for the Peter store, we had chosen the journal theme, so that is visible here, and from here the customers can register as well by tapping on the register button, and can register themselves for this particular client's store. They can log into the account panels as well, and they can go to the different categories added by the client itself. So if you remember, I'd added here the category as or OpenCart SaaS module, and the same is visible here on the storefront as well, the OpenCart SaaS module. And here I have all of the products that I had added under the product section from the admin backend panel of my client account there. So that's how easily you can create, or what we say as how you can or how this particular extension allows the clients to open an online e-commerce store with their map domain name within a few minutes without any further installation requirement or any plugin requirements there. It has a very simple sign-up process for the store registration, and then after the clients and the tenants can start their e-commerce business in just a jiffy, and they can start adding their products, categories, they can check their orders, they can start completing their orders as well. So here we have the order details as well. So yeah, that was much about the workflow at the client or the tenant's end, and I hope this helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webcool.com. You can raise a ticket at webcool.us.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.